Welcome to the first Beef and Lamb New Zealand future farm, Lanercost in North Canterbury. Future farms will help farmers around the country to make the sorts of changes they want and need. It will do this by implementing current best practice, and will look at emerging technologies that may be of use in the future. By sharing this work with the community, near and far, it reduces the risk of change. Other farms can see new technologies being well tested. Leading-edge innovation will be demonstrated in a practical environment. Successes and failures will be shared openly, and it will all be assessed against the triple bottom lines of economic returns, environmental sustainability, and social outcomes. Key to success of the program is that future farms are real farms managed in a realistic way. So let's take a look at Lanercost. We start our tour at the main entrance to Lanercost. We're heading west over the main yard and the workshop. All visitors to the property will sign in here. We're now moving over the eastern flats and downs, heading west, and are looking over to the main woolshed and associated sheep yards. The woolshed and the main sheep yards have all-weather access for vehicles and will be a hub for the farm when hosting visitors. We're now looking over the Tapuna block. This is about 100 hectares of flats and downs. Lanercost has been described as having good bones. It's well set up with tracks, fences, subdivision and facilities. As such, the Future Farm program can focus on farm systems and management improvements. A key feature of the property are the excellent tracks which allow easy access throughout the farm. Here we are looking over the main flats and downs on the property, which have the heaviest soils. Hogget lambing will be a regular feature of production on Lanercost. There are about 870 scanned in-lamb ewe hoggets in this mob. We're further on up the main track and now we're looking back east over the Tapuna block. There are 3 hay barns on the property, as well as some silage pits and silage buns. Manager Digby checking lambing ewes on the back downs. Here we are looking north, mainly over neighbouring properties and with the Kaikoura Mountains in the distance. looking out over the neighbours' flats with Mount Stewart on the horizon. Lanercost is fortunate to have a 20 hectare QE2 covenant on the property, which we are looking into here. This is the typical medium hill country on the western end of the property. At the moment we're looking to the south. Lanercost has its own airstrip and fertiliser bin, accessible by trucks on the main track. From here, we're looking out east over the steeper hill country that lies in the middle of the farm. The main sheep and cattle yards on the central hill blocks are near the airstrip and also with excellent truck access up the main track. And to complete our tour, we follow empty fertiliser trucks back down the main track, heading east, through and over the main downs back to the yard.